Okay, to continue, the next kind of problems, they give you an equation with the table. A lot of you like to look at the table and look at the equation. You don't know what to do. Start with the equation. Okay, start down here and see which one matches your table. Okay, for example, okay, I'm going to create a new document. Don't want to save anything. Okay, what I'm going to do is type in my equation from the problem. 99x squared plus 858. Okay, you don't see anything? Most of the time I tell you to go to graph trace, okay? Okay, and I tell you to type in 5. But if you look at this number, that number doesn't look correct to you, okay? You don't understand the e plus 3, right? So instead of doing that, you can always go to Control T to get to your table, okay? So my first number is 5, so I'm going to go down to 5. Oops, stop, it's too fast. Okay, you see that? 3333. It's not 1353, so it's wrong. Push Control T to get out of here, and I'm going to change my equation. Now let's try number 2. Negative 4.9x squared plus 295x plus 0.6. Enter. Okay, so Control T. Slow down. 1353 looks good. You go to 10. 2460 looks good. You go to 15. 3323 looks good. 394640 looks good. 4313 looks good. 30. 4440 looks good. And then finally 4323 looks good. So that's going to be our answer right there. Let me get out of here. Go back to this. And this is our answer. Alright, why don't you try the next 2 on your own? Okay, remember you can do graph trace. Try graph trace first, okay? If you can't recognize a number with graph trace, use the table. Okay. Go to the next problem. Okay, try that one. Yeah. Next kind of problem, we have an ordered pair problem. Okay, ordered pair is, again, easy, okay? You put this in your calculator, and so and then you look to see the ordered pair, that 12 minus 3. 12x minus 3. Okay. Then I'm going to go back to my original window, which is Windows Standard, okay? 12x minus 3. So I'm going to go Menu, Trace, Graph Trace. Okay, so I'm going to put -3 first. -3, enter. That's wrong. -18, enter. That's wrong. I'm going to go C, -5, enter. That's wrong. -7, enter. Uh-oh. Did I type in something wrong? Let's try this again. Tab. 12 minus 3x. See, Mr. Lee, keep on typing everything in wrong. Enter. Okay, let's try this again. Menu, trace, graph trace. -3. -3. Menu, trace, graph trace. -3, enter. 21, that's wrong. -18, enter. B is wrong. -5, enter. 27 looks good. -1, enter. 15 looks good. 8, enter. -12 looks good. Okay, so C looks good. Right, try this on your own. Then this. Remember, here you can use relations, but with relations you cannot use the table. Okay. Last type of equivalent or relationship problems that we have, it shows all the different kinds of representation. So the first thing you need to do is make sure when you look at this, you look at one representation at a time, okay? So -432 is somewhere up here, we don't know, okay? 3, 4, 3, 4. 3, 4 is there. Mm-hmm. 5, 14. See, 5, 14. 5 is right there. 14 is not there, so A is wrong. Okay. This looks right here. 4, 3. Remember, it's 3, 4, not 4, 3. 4 is 5, so this one's wrong. Okay. Here, I'm going to put in what was my equation again? X squared. Let's just do a new document just because it just makes it easier for me. X squared plus 3x plus 4. Okay, so -4. Oh, I forgot. Menu, trace, graph trace. -4 is 8, not 32, okay? And so the last thing that we do is we look at this. -4 is 32. That looks good. 3 is 4. That looks good. 5 is 14. That looks good. And 7 is 32. That looks good. So our answer is D. Let's try this one on your own. And this one, last one. Okay. Good.